Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the square root of root 16 is. So it seems to be so simple that the square root of 16 is 4. But no, it's wrong. We can say that 4 is the square root of 16. It's correct, but not. The question is that the square root of root 16. So 4 is the square root of 16, not root 16. So we have to find the square root of root 16. So root 16, and again there is one more square root. So the square root of root 16 square root is 4, and again square root is 2. So the square root of root 16 is 2, not 4. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.